viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunities from 4 companies. So let's get started. Work location is Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad. So before going into a main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for the first time, viewers, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. Viewers, first, Cognizant. They are hiring trainee junior data analyst position. Work location Hyderabad, Telangana. Candidates who have completed BE, BTech, MCA or high school graduation or above are eligible for this position. Work responsibilities includes business management like response through emails and chat, exceed targets and set within the key research activities, process improvements which includes ensure process guidelines are followed and met as documented, stay updated with the process knowledge changes refers to the knowledge updates to effectively process transaction, project control, management, review and delivery, and foremostly customer relationship management, managing a people and team, participate and contribute to the organizational activities, contribute to and participate proactively in the knowledge sharing session, and personal excellence includes complete mandatory training for self-identification, record own attendance and time sheet related data, align individual goals with team objectives. And candidate need to possess knowledge regarding MS Office, especially MS Excel, and good to have record to report accounting. So this is a day shift job. Those who are interested viewers can apply for this position, and this is updated on Jan 27th, 2021. So those who are interested can apply for this position, and I am going to provide link in the description. Viewers, next, Heritage. They are hiring required pilot salesman, Heritage Food Limited. 0 to 2 years experience candidates are preferred. They are conducting walk-in interview on 3rd Feb 10 am onwards in the following locations: Panjagunta beside Neem Hospital, Hyderabad. So candidates who are interested viewers who have completed their graduation are eligible for this position can directly go to the walk-in interview, and job responsibilities includes door-to-door activities, apartment events, free sampling distribution along with the campaigning. Required candidate profile, male and female both can apply for this position. This is an entry-level jobs. Even fresher can apply with good communication skills, MBA and graduates with 0 to 2 years experience in sales domain. Interested candidates can go for walk-in interview. And viewers, next company, Reliance Industrial Limited, hiring for customer support associate position. Work location Kurnool, Vijayanagaram, Guntur, Srikakulam, Rajahmundry. For selected candidates, salary varies between 1 lakh to 1,25,000 per annum. Freshers and as well as experienced candidates both can apply for this position. Candidate need to be flexible enough. We have 24/7 environment. Candidate should possess good communication skills, both written and verbal in English and simultaneously Telugu and Hindi. Domain is inbound and voice process. Minimum 6 months experience is mandatory for experienced candidate. Below 6 months are considered as freshers. Even freshers can apply for this position viewers. Qualification is 10+2. Inter and graduates can apply for this position. If you done your graduation in any stream, you are eligible for this position viewers. Candidate should have strong network in their locality. Salary is 10,700 per month. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in the description. Yes, next, WNS hiring freshers and work location is Vizag. Job description includes candidate need to be graduate. If you done your graduation in any stream, you are eligible for this position. Candidate need to possess good communication skills, both written and verbal in English, willing to work in rotational shifts, should have good understanding, willing to work in a dynamic environment with flexibility to work for additional hours. This is a very important point. Those who are interested to work flexibility to work for additional hours, they can apply for this position. Weekly off will be rotational. 0 to 1 year experience candidates are preferred. Even freshers can apply. Work location is Vizag. Interested candidates can mail their resume to following email ID. So they clearly mention in the notification email ID. So you can mail them. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide 4 important links in the description. Through links you can apply for one particular job. which matches your profile. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. And thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. And please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to receive all latest job updates from time to time. Thank you very much.